Is it the right time to make a decision on Meta stock? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, November 20th, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. It's important to stay updated on any crucial information that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 7, 2023, our system has ranked Meta as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Over the past 10 days, Meta has exceeded our expectations, gaining 6.63% since our initial recommendation to buy. This means the stock has delivered an average daily return of 0.66% since being listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the latest developments, it's difficult to determine the stock's next direction as it could go either way. The stock is currently in an upward trend, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. Normally, the stock would react by moving towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $343.24, it could indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 11.45% change over the next 3 months. This means that the stock could have a return between -2.41% and 12.52%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 143.43% change over the next year, with a potential return between 117.98% and 187.21%. This translates to a price range of $741.07 to $976.43 after a year. Our latest update on Meta brings some interesting news. The evaluation of Meta stock has been downgraded after the last trading session. On the previous trading day, which was Monday, November 20th, 2023, the Meta stock price increased by 1.47%. It went from $335.04 to $339.97. This marks the third consecutive day of gains for the stock. It will be fascinating to see if it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 2.29%, reaching a low of $334.19 and a high of $341.84. Over the past 10 days, the stock price has risen in 9 of them, resulting in a 7.65% increase over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume on the last day was higher than the previous day, which is a positive signal. In total, 15 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $5.21 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $341.84, while the lowest price was $108.32. Currently, the stock price is 0.55% or $1.86 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 11.54% or $44.36 below the all-time high, which was on September 1, 2021, when the price reached $384.33. Analyst ratings for Meta. On Monday, November 20th, 2023, B. Riley Securities gave Meta a neutral grade with a hold action. On the same day, Wedbush gave Meta an outperform grade with a hold action. Also on Monday, November 20th, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Meta an equal weight grade with a hold action. Moving back to Thursday, October 26, 2023, Goldman Sachs gave Meta a buy grade with a hold action. And on the same day, KeyBank gave Meta an overweight grade with a hold action. According to analysts, Meta stock has received a general buy rating. The PE ratio is rated as strong buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also considered strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Here are the key signals for Meta. The Meta stock is showing positive indications with buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. Additionally, there is a general buy signal as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, support levels can be expected at $333.74 and $316.59. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may trigger sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 17.9% increase so far. Further rise is anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. The increasing volume along with the price is seen as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. There is a buy signal for the moving average convergence divergence. Pivots also indicate a buy signal 18 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 5 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 11 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we find the short moving average shows a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 211 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Let's talk about the support levels for Meta. Currently, the stock finds support just below today's level at $298.67 and $297.74. When a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $298.67 is broken, the next support levels will be at $297.74 and $288.35. It's important to consider the risk associated with this stock. Meta has average movements during the day in good trading volume, which makes the risk medium. In the last day, the stock moved $7.64 between its high and low, representing a 2.29% change. Over the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.12%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Meta, let's start by discussing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a key measure of a company's current share price compared to its per-share earnings. Meta's P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is commonly observed in well-established businesses with predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on January 30, 2024. Let's dive into potential day trading levels for Meta. We don't see any significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly given the right conditions. This presents an opportunity for you to enter a position and keep an eye on the volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Meta faces its first support level at $298.67. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, as we could potentially see a rebound. According to multiple analysts, Meta has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider trades involve Zuckerberg Mark, who bought and sold a total of 9,823 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined a negative insider power with a ratio of -32.024. In total, insiders have purchased 116,662 shares and sold 227,366 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $325.94, which is a decrease of 4.13%. This stock tends to have moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. The RSI 14 is currently at 90, which significantly increases the risk. We also have a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 17 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Although Meta holds several positive signals, we believe it is not yet a strong buy candidate. At its current level, it should be considered a hold candidate, meaning you may want to hold or accumulate more shares while waiting for further development. However, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation. Instead of a buy, we now see it as a hold/accumulate candidate, primarily due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements for the last trading day and found that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, November 21st, we expect Meta to open down by $1.30 and start trading at $338.67. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's always wise to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinions, so please share your thoughts by commenting below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's dive in and explore the target for this stock. Let's get started.